The payment method declined error on the App Store occurs when trying to download or update apps, often due to invalid card details, insufficient funds, or security restrictions. This affects iOS devices and can be resolved in 5 to 10 minutes via Settings or iTunes. Check payment details, open Settings, tap your name, payment and shipping. Sign in with Apple ID. Verify card number, expiry, CVV, and billing address are correct. For PayPal, reauthorize via login. Ensure sufficient funds. Confirm your card has enough balance for purchases. Even free apps may require a hold. Check bank app for limits or holds. Add new payment method. In Payment and Shipping, tap Add Payment Method. Enter a different card or PayPal. Verify with temporary charge, $0 to $1, or OTP. Check bank statement or email. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update. Install the latest iOS to fix glitches. Sign out and in. Settings, your name. Sign out. Restart device, sign back in. Retry download. Check restrictions, settings, screen time. Content and privacy restrictions. Ensure iTunes and App Store purchases allows transactions.